Do you guys know why should Indians visit Thailand right now with their families? Because the Thai government has made visa fee zero for all the people visiting Thailand from India. There is a visa on arrival, but the visa fee for the visa on arrival has been removed completely. Well, it depends on the immigration officer whether to allow you into Thailand or not. It depends on the different factors which you should fulfill. How expensive is Thailand? Number one, you have to spend money on your flight. A flight from Mumbai to Bangkok would cost anywhere between 21,000 to 25,000 rupees. There is Air India, there is Indigo. What I recommend is go to Inox CR2 in Nariman Point. The Air India has a swanky new office on the ground floor. You can also book a ticket online from other airlines which are available. But always remember, the cheaper the ticket, the chances are that you will be only allowed to carry 7 kilograms of bag with you. So I would recommend you to book an airline which would allow you to carry at least 25 kilograms of weight or 20 kilograms of weight, like Air India or Thai Airways. Also remember that if you come to Thailand and plan to go to some other destination and do not go to India, make sure you buy the ticket to the next destination from Thailand in India. If you try to buy it at Bangkok International Airport, it's gonna be very expensive. If you leave Thailand and go to some other destination, and if you plan to come back into Thailand, you have to do a new TDAC, Thailand Digital Arrival Card. Means every time you enter Thailand, you have to have a TDAC, and every time you leave Thailand and then plan to come back into Thailand from whichever country you are and going back to India, you once again have to do the TDAC. You need to also remember to do the TDAC at least 72 hours before you land into Thailand. Do not try to do TDAC after arrival into Thailand. It will cause you unnecessarily stress, and there will be long queues of people who will be waiting at the airport to do TDAC, and the airport authorities and the custom authorities will be hassled by you. You want to get into Thailand, make the customs happy, just follow the rules and regulations. One more thing I would like to add is that there are many scam websites which are offering you TDAC at a price. Remember, the TDAC is absolutely free, and you should do it from the official website of Thailand Immigration and Thailand government. I'm putting the link down below so that you don't get scammed. If you have any questions related to what we discussed in this video, please comment them below and I'll try to answer all your questions. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such amazing videos from Amse Thailand.